Breathing slowly might be the key that finally lets you control your technique and your mind while swimming. But it sounds more simple than it is. The main reason we breathe shallow and quickly is because we rarely think about our breath. Modern life tends to push us towards shallow, quick breaths. When we swim, we want to think about our technique, our speed, and our smoothness. But our breath always distracts us. And how could it not? If you stop breathing, you drown. Most of the time when you swim, your face will be underwater. People have problems with the flip turn mainly because they run out of breath. It is even more common to never practice underwater dolphin kicks because of the need to breathe. Even if you're an open water swimmer, the lack of breath control is holding you back. Breath control exercises can be of tremendous benefit to you. But how badly do you need to train this skill? We talked about doing a breathing test in the last video to assess your skill level. Hundreds of you actually downloaded our app and did the test. Here's what we found from the results. I told you that I don't know if I have a strong, average, or weak skill unless I compare myself to many people. On the long exhale test, I lasted 45 seconds exhaling underwater and breathing through my nose in the first inhalation. To be honest, I thought that was a very good score. I even set the algorithm to have the highest score be close to 45 seconds or more. Well, today I graphed the results. The average score was 37.68 seconds. The best score was someone who didn't understand the instructions, so we took it out. The top 1% was around a minute and 20 seconds. The worst score was obviously 0. Some people cannot blow bubbles underwater. I have seen it. We have a solution for those people that I will tell you at the end. Before we had this curve, our algorithm Skilly gave me a score of 96 out of 100. I adjusted the algorithm with all the scores and I went from 96 down to 83. I don't want to be too dramatic. 83 still means it's a strong skill for me, but not as much as I thought. I've been swimming for most of my life and I am a certified breathing coach. Come on, I had to improve, and here's what I did. There are two components to this challenge: having enough control to exhale slowly and dealing with the buildup of CO2. The main breathing muscle is called the diaphragm. When it is completely tense, it pushes down. That is on the inhale. I knew I had to control the opposite, the exhale. When the diaphragm relaxes, the lungs contract. The exhale actually relaxes your whole body and mind if you do it properly. So I closed my eyes and I tried to think relaxing thoughts. I reassured myself that CO2 is not bad for me. That helped, but not as much as what I did next. I relaxed my belly button into my spine. That way I could exhale completely. Those two cues improved my best time by 10 seconds. But to improve even further, I had to do the breathing exercises that we developed in our course. If your time was less than 37 seconds, or if you're a coach and you want your swimmers to focus primarily on technique and not on their breathing, the theory and the exercises on this course can take your coaching skills to the next level. People like you who love learning and watch the video until the end are the reason this channel exists. So thank you. We love creating content for free on YouTube. But we have to rely on YouTube ads to keep our small company going. Another way we could keep our company going would be to accept all the offers that we get and place ads in our videos of products we don't even know. But you know we wouldn't do that to you. Something that has defined this community from the beginning is that you crazy swimmers and I always want to keep learning the most effective way to improve our swimming. To take this concept to the next level, we realized that it is no longer enough to just make YouTube videos. Now we will also have specific courses of the most important skills. They are available exclusively in our app Skills and Team. If you're a coach, these courses will greatly increase the effectiveness of your workouts. They are designed to help swimmers improve based on measurable results. Besides the courses, we built a free organized library with the best content we have ever produced. Click here to download our app. See you there. Swim fast.